Cheers, huh? You know, I look at you and I think you have a really nice tits. Your tits, very clean. Oh, very nice to look at. Oh. What? Where do you go? You're an idiot. What? We have good dinner, good dancing. I said she had nice tits. You didn't pronounce it correctly, man. Teeth. Teeth. Never forget the TH sound. Teeth. Teeth. Also, it's not teeths. One tooth, many teeth. The plural is teeth. 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 Nah, whatever. For this lesson, you'll need a straw. So, the sound. You know, of the thousands of languages on Earth, only a few actually use this sound. And even then, there are two versions of it. And th. How ridiculous is that? Thanks, English. Okay, all through this video, try to repeat the words with me so you can practice. Okay, how do you do it? I'll show you.